Yo, what's going on, my people? So, yeah, I'm gonna go work on my springs today, and I need a jack stand, so I can start working on this. So I can look for the car. My brother borrowed my jack stand, so I'm gonna go to Walmart, because I have some cheap ones for $10. I just need one, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. And then I'll be back and working on the car. I'll be back, guys. See you later. Peace. So yeah, Walmart didn't have it in stock, so I bought it at AutoZone. It's my favorite spot to go usually. It's only 15 something. The one at Walmart was like $10. And I needed some impact sockets for later, and a breaker bar. Small one. I have a big one. It's not at my house right now. My friend has it. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. Be back. Let's do it. Yo, what's going on, guys? So yeah, I'll be working on the springs today. I'm gonna just work on the front one today. It's my first time working on them, so let's give it a go. Good luck to me, and hope I get this off. She's looking pretty beautiful today. It's a pretty sunny day. I'm about to go lift up the car and take off the tire. Alright, guys, let's get to it. I believe this one's going to be easy. From what I see, there's only 3 bolts, I believe. One right here, one on the back over here. For this bracket. Just one. Yeah. I think that's about it. I'm just gonna PP bust these, maybe flip and sit for a day. I got some stuff to do today. It's New Year's. Chinese New Year's, Asian New Year's. Gotta go spend some time with family. But yeah, can't wait to get this started and off, and then get the new one on. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace out. Alrighty guys, I'm all done with one side. Probably took about two hours. Had to figure out my own way to do it. But yeah. Hopefully this works. The only way I can figure out how to put it on. But yeah. Let's see the other side. It's kind of leaning right now, so this is how the other side looks. See that gap? That's like freaking whole hand. Plus some. Alright, let's check it out. I'm about to lower it right now.